welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a 5-minute slim thigh workout, so grab your mat and let's get started.
Beneath the waves, so vast and blue, a giant breath, its final breath, its heartbeat echoes in the tide. A soul becomes a star above. Plankton dances in the light. The cycle of life begins anew in this endless abyss below. All life thrives because of you. One world. Beneath the waves, so vast and blue, a giant breath, its final breath, its heartbeat echoes in the tide. A soul becomes a star above. Burns and dances in the light. The cycle of life begins anew in this endless abyss below. All life thrives because